What's up, people? It's the boy TripleLL TV. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you guys 15 words that Jamaican mispronounce, and yes, that include myself also. I mispronounce a lot, so don't bash me, guys. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned. First one, America. America. But we Jamaicans say America. We cut everything short, so we say America. I'm going to America next week. I need to go to America. I'm going to America to visit my aunt. America. The second one, certificate. Certificate. You know that thing you get from like a award, or if you did something good and outstanding in school or your workplace. Certificate. But we Jamaicans say certificate. Certificate. Me get my certificate yesterday at school. Me did good, so me get my certificate yesterday. The third one, down. I go down the road, down. But we Jamaican pronounce it down. Me I go down a gully. That's the most one me the contribute me always say down a gully. Me I go down the road, down. Number 4, family. You love your family. Big up your family. But we Jamaicans say family. I don't know why, but don't ask because we say it, you know what I mean? But family, that's how we Jamaicans say. Love my family. See like a papa and say, family. Me say family. Sure. Yeah. Number 5, noodle. Noodles. Noodle. You know that thing you eat with a chopstick? Noodles. Yeah. But we Jamaicans say noodle. I don't know where the glue come from, but we say noodle. Like bugle, Google. Yeah, we Jamaicans say noodle, not noodles. Number 6, forehead. Forehead. But we Jamaicans say forehead. What a big forehead, man. Boy, the forehead big. That's how we Jamaican pronounce forehead. We pronounce it as forehead. Number 7, true. 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 That's true, right? But we Jamaicans say true. Yeah, true ma tell man and lie. True. Number 8, do it. But we Jamaicans say do it. We say do it, just like a popcorn say again. Overdo it. Overdo it. Yeah, we Jamaicans say do it. Number 9, elastic. Elastic band. I mean elastic, the rubber thing there, yeah? Elastic. But we Jamaican pronounce is as elastic. I don't know where the E gone, probably E gone on vacation or something, or migrate, but we Jamaican say elastic. We not use the E. Elastic. Number 10, one of them big thing them females always wear, earrings. Sometimes they come small, sometimes they come big, but no, I know female in Jamaica, they love them big, they look cute with it, so you know what I mean, yeah. Big up yourself, female with the big ears ring, yeah. Earring, but we Jamaican pronounce it as ears ring. Ears ring. Your ears ring. We don't say earring, you know, we say ears ring. Number 11, Saturday. Saturday is my Sabbath. Saturday I'm going to the market. We Jamaican pronounce it as Saturday. Tomorrow a Saturday. Saturday. That's how we Jamaican pronounce it as Saturday, not Saturday. Saturday. Number 12, Pampers. The thing you put on a baby, Pampers, yeah. The brand, Pampers. We Jamaicans say Pampas. Get it? Pampas. It doesn't matter what brand, we Jamaicans say Pampas. And we have this thing we used to use back then, nappy. If you guys know what's nappy, just comment below. If you guys remember it, just comment below also. Number 13, for it. Go for it. Go for it. In Jamaica, we say feet. We don't know where for it going, but we say feet. Not feet, you know, not feet where you walk on, you know. Feet. And they spell the same way. We pronounce feet as for it. We pronounce as F-E-E-T. And we pronounce the same way as feet we walk on, F-E-E-T. I don't know why, but we say feet. For it, Jamaican say feet. Number 14, pillow. 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 You want to take a nice rest, nice sleep, you lay on a soft pillow. We Jamaican say pillar. Pillar. Put on an A on it. Pillar. No pillow. We Jamaican say pillar. We need a pillar to sleep on. The pillar is too tough, we need a soft pillar. The last one, coconut. 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 We Jamaican say coconut. Coconut. Take out the next CO as a coconut. We Jamaican pronounce that as coconut, not coconut. Coconut. Yeah, you don't know, it's a boy Triple and you're watching Triple TV. So stay tuned for more content. I will be uploading. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your boy channel. Share this video with someone. See you guys next time. Big up.